Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to block someone on Bluesky. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Bluesky application. After opening the application, you will see the feed page of Bluesky. Here, you'll have to simply click on any person that you want to block. Now, you'll have to simply click on the profile picture of the person that you want to block. After clicking on their profile picture and navigating to their profile, you'll have to simply click on this three dotted icon just at the right of following button. Click on the three dotted icon here and it is going to show you this pop-up. Here, you'll have the option to share, add to list, mute account, report account and block account. Simply click on this block account button, that is the fourth option from the top. After click on this button, this will show you this pop-up that says blocked accounts cannot reply in your threads, mention you or otherwise interact with you. Simply click on the block button here and this profile will be instantly blocked on your Bluesky feed. Now, if you want to unblock this, simply click on the unblock option after this profile, select unblock and you'll have successfully unblocked this person. You can do this with anyone you want. Simply navigate to the person's profile, click on their name, click on the three dotted icon, click on block account, select block again and you would have successfully blocked someone on Bluesky. So that's how you block someone on Bluesky. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.